Welcome back. In this video, we're going to cover level mapping in SigmaNEST. To start, let's import a level mapping example. Before we proceed, you can see that there are two types of mapping, interactive and desktop. I have a few desktop presets I can choose from already. When you are using the interactive mapping, you can save those settings to the desktop. For example, you may get parts from a company who may use layers and levels differently than another company would. You can save both company styles to the desktop, so you're not stuck switching settings every time you import their parts. Go ahead and choose interactive mapping. In this menu, we can turn off features, define, and change attributes in our geometry. Let's start off on the bottom tabs. Files are going to be the main page where we remove contours and attributes. Part Parameters tab is where we can assign basic attributes to our part. The Options tab allows us to change how we import that part. The Tag settings lets us assign types of tags to our part to be carried over when we create the part. There are three ways to remove layers and levels: Layer/level, Colors, and Line Type. Layers and Levels tab is the quickest way to remove the levels you desire. But I prefer using the color because it gives you more freedom with the colors listed. If you have dotted or dashed lines in your geometry, you can filter those by using the Line Type tab. If you feel the need to make geometry changes to the part, click on the Edit button. Once you have your part mapped out, you can go to the menu ribbon on the top of the menu. We have options to just create the geometry, create the part, or, if we feel confident enough, create your nest. Before we do any of that, let's go ahead and save our settings to the desktop, so next time we can quickly import our part. You can also click Levels to check the levels. If you want to check for errors, click Show Errors. When you fix the errors, you can validate the part to confirm that there are no more errors with the part. If you get a part in metric and you are using imperial, click on the scale options to scale the part to imperial, or vice versa. If you import a part that has a lot of contours or entities, you can use the filter option here to reduce those entities. Now we are ready to create the part. I'm going to click Auto Create Part, and then click OK. And that's all there is to it.